Attend a BSI Aerospace Revision seminar and transform your business through the changes to the standard. This is your opportunity to talk directly to top aerospace experts at events held around the country near you. You'll get the chance to meet other businesses going through the same process, and we'll be there to give you all the support you need to make the change. We'll talk your language and focus on how it applies to you and your customers. Because we want to make it easy for you to succeed. So choose BSI, the right choice for help with aerospace revisions.